Toilet paper flush test. That's number 2. This thing flushes good now. All right. I'm using this snake because the symptoms were sometimes this was flushing a little weird and then this would back up, but I mean, it's fine. There's really nothing wrong. I think it was just a, I don't know, but I used the bigger snake because need a little more power in case there was something in the main, which I'm snaking this into the main just to make sure there's nothing. And we're on the 2nd floor and nobody else in the building's complaining, so I think it's about time I get rid of this. I don't like this thing. It's hard to use.